Hi, Dr. Beltran here, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, your genetologist, and your obesity resource person. Ngayon, ang ating pag-uusapan is about skincare tips for those with sensitive skin. Ano ba yung pag sinabi mo yung sensitive skin? Pag sinabi mo yung sensitive skin, this means that a person is very prone to irritation and allergic contact dermatitis. And their skin may also be dry. That's why they become more susceptible to this kind of dermatitis. Kuminsan, pag pinahiran mo ng mga cream o ng mga lotion, namumula agad, nangangati, at parang namamaga pa nga. At saka, kuminsan, hindi lang makati, nagbe-burning sensation din. Yun ang definition ng sensitive skin. Pagka may sensitive skin ka, ano ba ang dapat nating i-avoid, no? So, well, you have to avoid water with extremes of temperature. Like, for example, maliligo ka, wag dapat masyadong mainit ang tubig at wag din masyadong malamig. Kasi, kapag ganun ang ginamit mo na klase ng tubig, they would easily remove the normal oil on your skin and thus makes your skin drier after taking a bath. And then also, after taking a bath, if you are with sensitive skin and with dry skin, apply your moisturizers when your skin is still a little bit wet. Siyempre, hindi naman yung dripping wet, no? Pupunasan mo ng tuwalya pagkaligo mo and then leave some droplets of water and then you apply the moisturizer. Ang moisturizer mo, dapat wala din mga fragrances, no? Walang mga ibang chemicals, mga preservative. Dapat bland emollients lang yung gagamitin mo or mga humectants na walang mga perfume, fragrances, preservatives, and other chemicals on it. Yon. And then, you can apply it more often, like 3 to 5 times a day para less sensitize yung skin mo kapag they get in contact with certain chemicals. Number 3, okay, you have to choose also soap-free cleansers. Pag sinabi mong soap-free cleanser, ito yung hindi matatapang na sabon, no? Kagaya ng mga may antibacterial soap, those are the soaps that are usually very strong, no? At lalo na yung mga may fragrances, may color. So, use a hypoallergenic, white, and unscented soap for your skin when you have sensitive skin. And then, also try to avoid harsh exfoliants or chemical peels. Kasi tayong mga dry ang skin, hindi na nga tayo dapat mga astringent, no? Even toner, sometimes you don't need it because your skin is already depleted of your natural oil. So, kailangan talagang lang tayo, moisturize lang tayo ng moisturize. Huwag na tayo kasi ang toner, we use it for cleansing, deep cleanser, and then it also removes the natural oils on the skin. So, ganun din ang toner. But there are some toner that are mild, so you can choose those things if your skin is not really too dry. And then, you can also use a broad-spectrum sunscreen that is also oil-based. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi water-based para hindi lalo mag-dry yung skin. So, use a sunscreen that is hypoallergenic with a little chemicals added on it. And then, sa face, mga SPF 30 to 50 lang. Sa body, SPF 60 and above. And then, you just use it as needed, no? Hindi naman yung pahid ka ng pahid ng sunscreen. Depende kung ano yung activity mo for that day. And then the last would be your look for formulas labeled as skincare for sensitive skin. Usually, i-avoid natin dapat, kunyari sa mga shampoos natin, avoid natin yung may mga sulfates, sa face naman, we have to avoid yung mga may retinoic acid. Retinol may be good for some but not for sensitive skin. Pero depende sa yung gawa ng retinol cream mo. Kasi I have this retinol cream that you can also use for sensitive skin. Like me, my skin is dry and a little bit sensitive. And then, avoid fragrance and parabens. Parabens, ito yung mga ginagamit na parang antibacterial at saka preservative din for a lot of our cosmetic products. No? You should choose those with dimeticon, glycerin, shea butter, and yung sodium hyaluronate. Yun yung mga magagandang substances to be used for those with sensitive skin. And then, this is what you do. Clean your skin once a day only as much as possible. But if you need to take a bath, use a oil-based soap with a moisturizer after taking a bath. Usually, once a day lang is enough, like before you sleep. And then, use a face cream instead of moisturizing lotion. Ang lotion kasi, water-based yun. Kabisan alcohol-based pa, kaya nakaka-dry ng skin. And then, you can use hydrating oil like virgin coconut oil, and then other oils that are yung aromatherapy oil na pang for sensitive skin, no? Tsaka for anti-inflammatory, no? Kagaya ng chamomile, no? And then, well, for some people, they use face mask, no? But for me, kasi ang face mask, occlusive yun eh. Kaya if you have other substances incorporated in the face mask, baka lalo kang masensitize. And then lip balm or lip moisturizer, like petroleum jelly is a very good moisturizer for the lips. And then we also have protect with appropriate sunscreen. Kaya pag bibili ka ng sunscreen, yung oil-based na sunscreen din. Okay, so those are the tips for sensitive skin. If you have more questions, or if you have more questions, please call my numbers. Please like and share my account. Bye!